In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in ActiveCampaign in this complete 2025 guide. First things first, you'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account by heading over to activecampaign.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar and find the Automations section. Give that a click and you'll be on your way to setting up powerful automations that will help streamline your business processes. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a button that says Create an Automation. Go ahead and click that. Now what you'll see next is a variety of automation templates available for you, such as welcome series, abandoned cart, or engaged subscribers. You have the option here to either start from scratch or use one of these templates to save some time. For today's guide, let's click on Start from Scratch to build an automation from the ground up. The next step is crucial in setting the foundation of your automation, choosing your trigger. This is essentially the action that kickstarts your entire automation process. Some of the popular triggers you might consider using include when someone subscribes to a list, when a tag is added, when an email is opened or clicked, when a form is submitted, or when someone makes a purchase, particularly if you have e-commerce integrations set up. Select the trigger that suits your needs and press Continue. With that done, it's time to think about your first action. You'll do this by clicking on the plus symbol to add an action. Here, you'll find a few categories to choose from: sending options, conditions and workflow, contacts, and CRM. For example, if you're crafting a welcome automation, your sequence might look something like this. Your trigger could be subscribes to list, followed by actions such as send welcome email, then wait 1 day, and finally send follow-up email. To create an email, select Send an Email from the options. If you don't have an email ready to go yet, don't worry. You can easily click Create a New Email to use ActiveCampaign's intuitive email builder to design something tailored to your audience as you're building. Remember, you can add additional steps like tagging a user, sending follow-ups, or even adding conditions such as if contact opened email to further refine the automation. After you've captured all the steps you need and everything is in place, you're ready to activate your automation. Simply click Active in the upper right corner of your screen. To make sure everything is working smoothly, test your automation by subscribing with a test email address or adding a contact that meets the trigger condition you've set. And there's a pro tip for you. To enhance personalization and efficiency, consider using goals and wait conditions. Plus, keep an eye on how your automation is performing by checking out the Reports tab. That wraps up our guide on setting up automations in ActiveCampaign. Hopefully, you're now ready to create intricate workflows that save time and enhance your communication.